Hello, this is Miguel from the Mobile Computer Repairs 757. Just giving a computer tip. I work on computers too, as well as cars. So, about the computers, a lot of people, what they're doing is they standing behind you in the line and they'll have their phone on, zooming in on whatever it is you're typing. A lot of times you're typing your passwords or they're looking at stuff that they shouldn't be able to see. What I always recommend to customers is to have a privacy cover on your phone. When I am actually in front of a customer and I'm working on something and I'm looking up stuff, a lot of times customers are standing over my shoulder, or I might have somebody behind me just recording my information. But with a privacy cover on your screen, iPhone or Android, they can't see what's going on. If you notice, if you go to a bank or you go to DMV, you can't see the screen because they got a privacy cover up there, which is very good. So you should do the exact same thing. This is just a computer tips. Everybody does what they do differently, but I'm here for you guys and I want to make sure that you are safe, your information is safe, and anything else that I can share with you. If you like this computer video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.